Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google account recovery page and entering the email address you want to recover. Once done, make sure you use a device or location you recently used to sign in. Google checks that. You'll be prompted to choose a recovery method. Select phone or recovery email if available. You'll receive a code. Pause and get that ready. You do not need the old password yet. This step proves account ownership before Google offers reset options. You'll now verify identity by entering the code sent to your recovery phone or email. Type it exactly and submit. If Google asks secondary questions or prompts two-step verification, follow each prompt carefully. It's checking patterns like devices, locations, and recent passwords. If you don't see a code, make sure messages aren't filtered, then choose try another way to use backup options. Be patient and accurate, because consistent responses increase the chance Google trusts your claim. You will be offered to create a new password. Choose something long, unique, and memorable. Use a passphrase or password manager. Once reset, make sure to update your recovery email and phone and enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. If Google still blocks recovery, use the detailed account recovery form and provide exact dates, services used, and past passwords you remember. This helps human review. One troubleshooting tip: check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.